Hello guys, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor Mr. here, and if you are new to the channel, you are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel and share the link of this channel to somebody that needs to improve his or her mastery. Okay, so let's get right into today's question. Today's question is on simple interest. I'll read out the question and we'll solve it together. So the question says calculate the simple interest on $6,500 for 6 years at 6%. So the first thing is we want to understand what is simple interest. Now, if you borrow money or you lend money to somebody, let's say like a bank, okay, the money that is being borrowed, that is being given out, is what we call the principal. So in this question, this is going to serve as what the principal, the money being given as loan or being borrowed. So our solution, okay, the first thing we want to know is we want to know our principal, which is the borrowed money. In this case, is $6,500. Okay, the next thing is we have the time. Time the money is to be paid back is for 4 years, and we have the rates. The rate means the percentage that the money yields, that the money gains interest. Okay, so now all we need to do to find our simple interest is we are going to multiply all three, meaning the principal, that's the money borrowed, multiply by what? The rate, and multiply by what? The time. Okay, to keep it simple, we can say I, which is for interest, is equals to what? P for principal times what? Rate for R times what? T for time. Okay, so our rate here, 6% means 6 over what? 100. All right, so now let's input these values into this expression. So we are going to have for I, which is the interest, is equals to the principal, remember, is 6,500 US dollar times what? Our rate is giving us what? 6%. So 6 divided by what? 100. Cancel to put over 1 here. Then times the time, okay, is 4 years. So 4. Okay. So if we solve this, we are going to get our simple interest. Now for what we have, okay, I can decide to say this 0 can cancel this 0, this 0 can cancel this 0. Our interest, we are left with here is just $65 times what? 6 times what? 4. Okay, our interest is going to be $65 times 6 times 4 is what? 24. Okay, so we are going to quickly multiply this to see what we are going to get as our interest. Our interest, let's multiply this. So we have 65 times 24. 4 times this is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 2 times 5 is 10. Have 1 there. 2 times 6 is 12. To add it is 13. We are going to add all this. Okay, let's see what that gives us. So I have 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. And we have it. So our simple interest after 4 years is going to give us $1,560. That gives us the solution to this simple problem. Alright guys, if you like watching, subscribe to this YouTube channel and do well to share this video to somebody who may be of help. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.